Journaling insights from Jim Rohn, Napoleon Hill, Tim Ferriss. Journaling is a powerful tool for personal growth. It allows us to reflect on our thoughts and experiences, clarify our goals and aspirations, and cultivate self-awareness and gratitude. Here are some insights from 3 personal development thought leaders on the benefits of journaling and different journaling techniques. Jim Rohn's insights. Jim Rohn, a renowned motivational speaker and personal development coach, believed in the power of journaling as a tool for self-reflection and goal setting. He said, "Goal setting is the essence of personal growth, and journaling is the key to unlocking that essence." By regularly journaling about our goals, progress, and challenges, we can develop the self-awareness and discipline necessary to achieve our aspirations. Napoleon Hill's insights. Napoleon Hill, the author of the classic personal development book, Think and Grow Rich, believed that journaling can help us clarify our thoughts and beliefs, and identify the actions necessary to achieve our goals. He wrote, "Write down your goals, make plans to achieve them, and work on your plans every day." By journaling about our goals and plans, we can track our progress, make adjustments as necessary, and maintain the focus and motivation needed for success. Tim Ferriss's insights. Tim Ferriss, the author of The 4-Hour Workweek, and a successful entrepreneur and investor, recommends different journaling techniques for cultivating self-awareness and gratitude. He suggests practicing morning pages, where you write down your thoughts and feelings first thing in the morning, and gratitude journaling, where you list things you're grateful for each day. By starting your day with journaling and gratitude, you can cultivate a positive and productive mindset for the rest of the day. Putting it all together. By integrating these insights from Jim Rohn, Napoleon Hill, and Tim Ferriss, you can discover the benefits of journaling and different journaling techniques for personal growth. Start by identifying the goals and aspirations you want to achieve, and regularly journal about your progress, challenges, and actions. Use journaling to clarify your thoughts and beliefs, and identify the actions necessary to achieve your goals. Try different journaling techniques, such as morning pages or gratitude journaling, to cultivate self-awareness and gratitude. By making journaling a regular practice, you can develop the self-awareness, discipline, and focus needed for personal growth and fulfillment. Thanks for watching. Like, follow and subscribe, share with a friend.